Hello, this is Dennis.
Hello, Dennis. This is AJ from MFG.com. How are you?
Fine.
Dennis, what's your full name?
Dennis Loveridge.
Hey, Dennis, what's the name of your company?
Loveridge Machine Company.
Whereabouts are you located?
Salt Lake City, Utah.
It's got to be beautiful out there this time of year.
It is.
Dennis, could you explain your company, the name, and what you do?
We're a job shop, machine shop. We have about 55 employees. We do a variety of all kinds of work. We have horizontal machining centers, CNC lathes, CNC grinding. We serve all kinds of industries. A good portion of our work is aerospace. We also do industrial, commercial work, automotive, aftermarket automotive, all kinds of things like that.
You have a very broad customer base, it sounds like.
We do.
Sir, how long have you been on MFG.com as a member?
That's hard for me to say. It's probably about 5 or 6 years.
5 or 6 years. Can you describe about your experiences on MFG.com, how we've helped Loveridge?
Well, you have to look at this as it's kind of like R&D work. You're constantly out there searching for companies that are going to be good fits with us. And you work pretty hard sometimes to find them because they're far and few between. But when you find them, you can find some really great customers. And I've got some customers that just keep coming back and have been turned out to be excellent customers that I wouldn't have had otherwise.
So you meet them on MFG, and then the relationship extends off of the platform.
Absolutely. If you, my experience is that if I had to make everything off of MFG, if the customer constantly is looking for the lowest price, I can't be there. But if he's looking for a great relationship, then it works really well, and we've found several of those.
I see. So you're obviously very selective when you choose a buyer. Can you explain a little bit what you look for in a prospective buyer or partner?
Well, again, I'm looking for someone that is actually out there looking for a great source.
I see.
They're looking for a good supplier, not necessarily just the lowest price, but they're looking for someone that fits their needs. And if I can find those, then it becomes a great marriage. It has to be a win-win situation.
Got it. Mr. Loveridge, when you are on MFG.com and you encounter or find someone that looks like they might be a good candidate, and you begin the process, the quoting process, do you often contact or call the buyers?
I do. I'll call them and chat with them, find out a little bit about their needs, what it is that they're doing. And you know, a lot of them don't make themselves accessible, so those are a little more difficult to do. But there's a lot of them that they're trying to find somebody, they're trying to find the right fit, the right connection, and those are the ones you want to work with because they do make themselves available. Yes, sir.
Sir, do you have anything that you can add about your experiences on MFG.com?
I think it's just it's a terrific tool in today's marketplace. Because you can reach out to, I've done work with companies in Maine, and that's a long ways from Salt Lake.
It is.
And I picked up customers that are right next door that I didn't know they were looking for work, and so you never know.
You had to get on the World Wide Web to find somebody next door to you, huh?
That's really the truth.
Well, sir, I sure do thank you for your time today, and best of luck to you and yours.
Okay.
Take care, sir.
Goodbye.